Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. Today I'm cooking pork ribs, and in the meantime, I'm going to be talking about something else, something not food, but something that happens in our society, something real, something you've probably experienced but don't talk about enough. Not the obvious kind, but something that happens in our day-to-day lives. The kind that shows up when a friend expects you to hate people they don't like. Control friendships. Here's the thing. You can have a friend you love, respect, care for deeply, but then suddenly they fall out with someone, and just like that, you expected to take sides. Not because you were involved, not because you were wronged, but simply because you were their friend. Now listen, loyalty is important, loyalty is beautiful, but loyalty should never be confused with control. If you have a personal issue with someone, that's yours to carry. It's your story, your emotion, your wound to deal with. But unless that person also wronged me or did something deeply unacceptable, I honestly don't think it's fair to expect me to cut them off too. And when you pressure someone like that, it stops being about friendship. It starts becoming manipulation. Because suddenly I am walking on eggshells, suddenly I am checking who I'm allowed to say hi to. I'm scared of being misunderstood just because I chose peace. Let me be honest with you. Sometimes two people fall out over something small, a misunderstanding, a tone, an offense that could have been fixed with one honest conversation. People are layered, complicated. The version of someone that hurt you may not be the version I know, and vice versa. Friendships should be a safe place, a place where I can say, I'm talking to her and you won't get angry. A place where you can say, I didn't like how he treated me and I will listen, but I will still have the freedom to make my own choices. We need to stop thinking that being a friend means becoming a soldier in someone else's emotional battles. Being your friend does not mean that I have to inherit your enemies, unless someone truly disrespected you or caused deep harm or crossed serious boundaries. Then yes, I'll stand by you. But if it's something that can be forgiven, something that could have been handled with communication, then please don't give people hard time. If someone hurt you, you have every right to distance yourself. You have every right to say, I am not comfortable being around that person. But you don't have the right to demand that I do the same, especially if I don't feel the same way. Let me decide. Let me assess. Let me use my own discernment. Healthy friendships give space. Space to disagree. Space to relate differently. Space to be individuals. So to anyone listening who's ever been caught in the middle, I see you. To the ones who felt guilty for staying neutral, I hear you. To the ones who are made to choose, I feel you. Friendship is not about who can hate the loudest. It's about love, respect, and truth. And real friends allow you to be free. So let's be better. If this message touched you, please like, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's grow together. Let's be better. Hope you've liked the pork recipe. It's a very simple one that you can make in the comfort of your home with very simple ingredients. I've listed all the ingredients and the process down below in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.